In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export from Trello to Excel or CSV, ideal for those looking to enhance their project management skills. Whether you're organizing tasks for a team or managing personal projects, being able to export your board data to Excel or CSV can be incredibly useful. Let's get started by heading over to Trello's homepage. Open up your browser and navigate to Trello.com. This is where the process begins. Once on the homepage, you'll want to locate the Login button, which is usually found at the top right corner of your screen. Go ahead and click on it. To access your boards, you have a couple of options for logging in. You can use your email, or for convenience, you might opt to log in using your Google account. This integration makes the process seamless, especially if you use Google services frequently. Now that you're logged in, it's time to find the board you want to export. Head over to the Boards section. This is your hub where all your Trello boards are organized. Look under the Your Workspaces section to locate the board you are interested in. Once you find it, click on it to open. With your board open, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. You'll notice three dots, often referred to as the Settings or Options menu. Click on these dots to reveal a drop-down menu. From the drop-down, select Print, Export and Share. This option provides you with various ways to handle your board data, including printing, sharing with team members, or what we're focused on today, exporting. Once you've clicked on Print, Export and Share, you'll see several export options, but we're interested in exporting as a CSV file. This format, CSV, stands for comma separated values, and it's perfect for opening and editing in Excel or any other spreadsheet software. Click on Export as CSV to initiate the download. Your browser will confirm the download, and you'll typically find the file in your Downloads folder. And there you have it. You've successfully exported your Trello board information into a CSV file. This allows you to manipulate and analyze your data in ways that are more flexible than within Trello itself. Whether you're pulling reports, organizing your next project, or simply keeping records, having this capability is immensely powerful. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. If you found it helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more project management tips and strategies. Happy organizing, and see you in the next video.